Good morning, this is Shell speaking. How can I help you?
May I speak to Mr. Kyle?
Can I ask who is calling, please?
Oh, this is Michelle from the building volunteer. I am calling to discuss the voice.
I'm sorry, Mr. Kyle is in a meeting at the moment.
You know when Mr. Kyle is available?
Mr. Kyle is available at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Please tell Mr. Kyle that Michelle of the technology here will call regarding this invoice. Please ask him to call me at 0965-735582.
I will get him to call you as soon as Mr. Kyle is available this afternoon.
Thank you very much for your help.
Hi guys,
Bye.
for more videos from your
Thank you for calling, Miss Michelle. Goodbye.